To restrict an app to use battery in the background on Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra, go to the app screen. Find the required app. As the example, we will try with TikTok. To find the app quickly, tap the search bar at the top of the screen. Type the app name. Long tap the app icon. And then tap the app info icon. Scroll down the screen. Under usage section, tap battery and then select restricted. With this setting, your phone will restrict battery usage while the selected app, in this case TikTok, is running in the background. However, when you choose this setting, the selected app may not work as expected and notification may be delayed. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.